A very good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to share one of the PowerPoint presentation to you so that it will be more easier for you to understand. Actually, in your chapter, basically you have to learn that how you can insert the audio and video files in your PowerPoint presentation and how you can format these. And the another part that is in this chapter, that about the custom animation and slide transition. Okay, so let's start. At first, to add some video, to add some music. So at first, to add some music, you can add or you can make the presentation more livelier by adding these sounds to your slide. Okay, so when sound or music are inserted, you can see that one type of sound options or sound icon will be there. So at first, to add the sounds, you have to click in the insert button. Then this is the sound icon. So after clicking in the sound icon, you can able to get that there are so many commands. These are the audio from the media group of commands. So you can choose any one of the options from here. If you wish to add the sounds from file, then you can click the sound from file options, and then one of the sound files will be added to your presentation. So after pressing OK, you can see that this type of dialog box will appear, that it will indicate that how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow, whether automatically or when clicked. If I'm choosing the option when clicked, that means, and this is the sound icons, I can drag the icons in this way, and if you want to play the particular sound, then you have to choose the preview option. Okay, this preview option means it will play the sound or movie to get a preview on it. So this is the sound, and you can stop the sound again by clicking in the preview option, and similarly. And here you can hide the icons, or you can hide during the show. Now you can adjust the voice of the sound from here. You can see that low, medium, high and mute are there. So you can choose the high option, you can choose the medium option, or whatever the thing is. Now there is another option that you can choose from here also. You can change the sound playing option, whether by clicking automatically or by when clicked option. So if I'm clicking here automatically, then I have to press preview and it will be played automatically. Okay, you can change the maximum sound of the file from here. You can make it bring, make it send it back, and there are so many options also. Okay, now the next one, that means in the sound file you can adjust the sound from the clip organizer option. So by adding these, actually there are in this clip organizer, what happened, in this clip organizer there are so many clip art audios inbuilt in your computer. Okay, and you can choose any one of the clip art audio from this drop down menu, and you have to double click the sound to get inserted. Now if I'm choosing the automatically options, and then I have to click on the preview, so this is the sound. Okay, now in this way you can add some sounds also. The next option is recording your own voice. That means when you click in the insert option and in the sound button, then it will show ki record sound. Record sound means this is the record button. So if you click here, it will start automatically the recording. Okay, and this is the pause option. So if you click here, the recording will be automatically paused. And this is the played option. So if you click here in this played option, at first you have to stop this, and if you click here, recording. Okay, and this is the pause option. So if you click here, the recording will be automatically paused, and this is the played option. So can you see my voice? So actually I have recorded my own voice to you. That means this is the adding the recorded sound from here. Okay, the next part is adding movie. What happened whenever we are going to add movie files? Actually the movie files are very huge in size, right? So it will take lots of time. I'm just going to show you that there are two options by which you can add movie into your presentation. You can directly choose the files from this option, movie from file option, and you can directly choose the movie from clip organizer option. So after clicking here, so there are so many options you can see. You can press insert. So this is okay, this picture. So in this way you can add some videos into your presentation. Okay, you can play the presentation. Okay, and suppose you wish to add the Word file, sorry, another PowerPoint file, then you have to click here on the particular slide or the previous slide, and then you have to choose the new slide option. So after getting this new slide option, you can add any one of the picture. You can change the formatting of the picture. You can change the design also. Okay, so you can change the design also. So if you click here, it will be automatically change the numbers of slides that you have. But if you, that means it will be applied to all slides. But if you apply it to the selected slide, then only the selected style will be automatically highlighted. Okay, so this is about the slide transition, and the last part, that means the adding some transition between the slides. That means what? On this transition tab, so 1 second, I have to click here. Yes, now you can set the slide orientation in this way. You can set the presentation, you can set the orientation of the slide, and after clicking in the slideshow option, you can get that whether you want to play the sound from the beginning, or you want to play the sound from the current slide, or you can apply the here the setup slideshow. So suppose I am clicking here, so then this is my slide, and that will be played automatically. Okay, so this is all about the PowerPoint presentation chapter. I hope now you can be able to understand. Thank you. Goodbye.